If I have anything to share that would be of use to someone just starting out or maybe looking for a bootstrap in this field, it's that you never really know where you're going to end up. I wasn't even going to do journalism, then decided to do it just for a year, just to see if I liked it before I went to med school. And then I realized it was an opportunity to continually change what I was focused on, to learn for a living. I really just tried to look for an opportunity that put me one step further. And I think the single best advantage that you have as a student is that anyone who has a soul is going to make time for you. Anybody, I will always make time for a student who's interested in learning about what I'm doing or has questions about what they should do next in their field. I think it's incumbent upon students to not be shy about asking for 15 minutes with someone, because that experience is going to really open up their perspective. You'd be surprised how open and honest people will be with a student when, if they're across the table from an interviewer, they'd be completely silent. There's just something about wanting to help people in a position that you've been in before that makes you open up.